Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change the pause on lost focus setting in this patch. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. From there, navigate to the display section. Here at the bottom is pause on lost focus. It is turned on by the default. You can always turn it off or leave it turned on. From what I understand, if you lose your focus in the game, so you stop moving your mouse, etc., you don't press any keys, the game will pause after a certain amount of time, to make sure you don't miss anything important. After you set this setting to your preference, simply press back and you are ready to play. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.